hi, it's Anne here again. In my previous video, I created these stickers using Microsoft Sticker Creator with these prompts. Now, today I'm going to use the same prompt to create images in Microsoft Designer Image Creator and Microsoft Bing Copilot Image Creator. Now, I actually want to show you the differences of these two platforms. Of course, there are certain feature that is available in Copilot, which I quite like it very much. Let's get started, yeah? Now, I am here at Microsoft Designer Image Creator. On the left screen here is Microsoft Bing Copilot, where you can type anything that you want to create. Now, I have actually prepared the same prompt. I'm going to copy and paste on these two areas here. Just wait a while. Copilot is creating an image now. Just wait a while. Now, you can see the difference over here. In Copilot, it actually shows you 4 images based on the prompt. In Designer, Image Creator only shows you 2 prompts. Of course, you can generate again to get another 2 images. But here, you can immediately pick which is the image that you want. And um, the advantages of Copilot here is you can actually add on prompt that you want. Whereas in Image Creator, you have to type in the prompt, the extra style or color that you want. So for me, I usually prefer to use Microsoft Bing Copilot to generate image. But for Sticker Creator, I would prefer to use Microsoft Designer. The reason why is I can actually add on immediately what I want. Change his color to brown, or make the background a park, make him hold an ice cream instead of a cheeseburger. Now, if I want this prompt, I just have to click on it. But if I want this image to hold an ice cream instead of a cheeseburger, of course, I have to type in. So I have to click here, copy, paste here, and generate, and see what is the outcome from this image creator of Microsoft Designer. Now you see, you can see the difference immediately. It generates this image where he holds an ice cream. Now just wait for a while on this my image creator of Microsoft Designer. Now, you see, it doesn't really work. I think I make a mistake here. I should actually delete this and see what's the outcome, yeah? So the output is not what I expected. So if you compare to Microsoft Bing Copilot, it is, in a way, it's more accurate on the output. Whereas on this, it doesn't really uh, give the output that you want. Now, the advantages of using Copilot to generate images, you can actually immediately change what you want. Make him wear glasses. So I'm going to click on this. And from here, uh, I'm going to make him wear glasses. So you can see the difference over here. Now, the beauty of here using Copilot Microsoft Bing is sometimes it generates 3 images in one picture. So in fact, you can actually download this, and of course you need to extract each and every one of these images. Now, if you compare to Microsoft Designer Image Creator, the output is totally different based on this, based on the Copilot Image Creator. So I'm going to show you one or two prompt add on that can you make the background apart. So I'm going to click on this prompt. So actually it gives you an idea what kind of prompt to add on to the existing image that is already given to you. But whereas for image creator, there's not much an option. So usually I'll use this Microsoft Bing Copilot to create image. As I said, I would prefer to use Microsoft Designer to create stickers, where Copilot can't create image creator, a sticker creator, sorry. So you see the difference here is you can actually immediately get a background over here. Now, change his hoodie to green or make him wear a watch. Can you make the sky blue? Okay, I'm going to try on this. Now you see the output is much better. I would prefer these images than using Designer Image Creator. I'm not saying this tool is not good, but however, the output is not so accurate compared to this. I would prefer if Microsoft Bing Copilot can actually generate stickers. The output is much better, but the option now do I have is only using sticker creator in Microsoft Designer. So for now, my verdict is to create image, I will definitely use Microsoft Bing Copilot. But if I want to create stickers, I will definitely use Sticker Creator, where I have created quite a number of stickers based on this image here. Okay,